In the shadowy world of global tech warfare, a silent battle is reshaping the future of power and intelligence.
China has just revealed a breakthrough that is shaking Silicon Valley and Washington alike.
According to a Reuters exclusive, Beijing has secretly built a prototype of the world's most advanced chip-making machine.
This machine is known as Extreme Ultraviolet Lithography, or EUV, the holy grail of semiconductor technology. Until now, EUV technology was monopolized by Dutch company ASML and protected by strict US export controls.
Deep inside a high-security lab in Shenzhen, Chinese engineers have successfully generated extreme ultraviolet light.
This achievement marks China's first real step toward breaking Western dominance in advanced chip manufacturing.
Although the prototype is not yet producing commercial chips, the milestone has stunned global experts.
The project is being compared to America's Manhattan Project for its secrecy, scale, and national importance.
Under President Xi Jinping's direct oversight, Huawei led this massive and clandestine operation.
Thousands of scientists from elite universities and the Chinese Academy of Sciences were involved. China used a mix of talent recruitment, reverse engineering, and relentless determination.
Former ASML engineers of Chinese origin were reportedly recruited with massive salaries and incentives.
Older machines were dismantled piece by piece to replicate the most complex optical systems ever built.
Extreme secrecy defined the project, with fake identities, isolated teams, and banned mobile phones.
All this happened while the US tightened sanctions, blocking even older chip-making tools.
EUV machines are essential for producing AI chips that power systems like ChatGPT and autonomous weapons.
For years, Washington believed cutting China off from EUV would permanently slow its progress.
China's prototype now proves that assumption may have been dangerously wrong.
Experts believe China could produce advanced AI chips domestically by 2030.
The ultimate goal is total technological self-sufficiency, without Western tools or approval. The ultimate goal is total technological self-sufficiency, without Western tools or approval.
This is no longer just a chip war. It's the front line of a new Cold War.
Technology dominance now defines military strength, economic survival, and global influence.
As the US spends billions to reshore chip production, China is rewriting the rules of the game.
The AI arms race has become more unpredictable than ever before. And then the West's long-held technological advantage may be slipping away faster than expected.
The question now is not whether China can catch up, but how soon it will lead.